Hi, welcome to Cooking with Bomi. We're all about to die.
Good up dreamers, it's Noah Rose, the beauty nerd here, and today we're doing the smoothie challenge. And I'm joined by Bomi.
Hi.
As you saw in a wonderful intro.
Yeah, so we're gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm very sensitive to food. I cook for a living. So, as you can see,
It's gonna be fun.
I enjoy food. This is gonna ruin food for me.
Alright, so if you don't know what the smoothie challenge is, basically you have a certain number of bad ingredients and a certain number of good ingredients, and you have a little like bowl, here we have a mug, of those ingredients, and you just take turns drawing them out, and you have to add whatever ingredient you get into your smoothie. So for good ingredients we have peanut butter, milk, yogurt, hot buttered rum mix, and ice cream. And for bad ingredients we have teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, French onion dip, minced garlic, and Caesar dressing. So
All of which you don't generally want in a smoothie.
Yeah.
They're not bad on their own, but
you know, pretty bad.
pretty bad.
So, do you want to pick first?
Okay. Just gonna...
We have glasses, by the way. I only have one blender, so we're going to do this first in glasses.
I'm gonna die. I already picked a bad ingredient.
What did you get?
I got Caesar. Caesar.
All right, do you want a big spoon or a small spoon?
A very small spoon.
Here you go.
Do I just have to put it in my glass?
Yeah, I guess like maybe 1 or 2 scoops.
Oh.
And while she's doing that, I'm going to pick my first ingredient. I got milk.
I hate you.
So I'm just gonna add a little bit of that.
While this is still good.
There you go. Your turn again.
Anything added to this is gonna be gross.
Yeah. There's no saving it now.
There's no saving it. Hot buttered rum mix.
That's not too bad. Here, I'll
It's
give
not
you
bad, but it's bad because there's Caesar dressing.
Here's another spoon.
Thank you.
So hot buttered rum mix, this doesn't actually have alcohol in it. This is just kind of the mix for the flavoring. This is my mom. I don't know if she would appreciate the way we're using it, but whatever. It smells pretty good. Just
Maybe
putting a lot in.
Maybe if I put enough, it'll cover up the Caesar.
Oh boy.
I wanna cry.
This is fun already.
It is really good.
Okay, good. It smells pretty good.
It smells awesome.
So I'm gonna pick my next ingredient. French onion dip. Ew.
Oh, I'm so entertained.
Good with chips, not so much on smoothies.
At least you got a bad ingredient too.
So far we are both 1 to 1.
Oh God, no, I'm actually gonna die.
What'd you
Got
get?
garlic. I'm gonna put the smallest amount possible. I'll just use my Caesar spoon. I'm gonna put the smallest amount possible.
So we have minced garlic.
Oh, it's so strong. I can't put it
Yeah, that's
anymore.
fine. That's fine.
I'll literally die if I put any more.
That's how much I would put in, honestly. We're both wimps, so yeah.
Hi, I'm
Okay.
really wimpy.
My turn. Soy sauce.
So we're both 2 for 1.
Oh, gross. God, oh no! I'm gonna do a dash. That was a lot. Your turn.
Please give me something good. Peanut butter.
So we now have 1 bad ingredient, like 2 good ingredients left.
One of us is gonna get more good than bad.
Yeah.
Let's use the hot buttered rum one.
Ooh, that looks delicious.
I love peanut butter. But this might ruin peanut butter for me. If it'll ever come off the spoon. I'm just gonna sip. There you go. There you go.
All right, my turn.
Peanut butter is in. I'm scared.
Vanilla yogurt.
So there's one good ingredient left and one bad ingredient.
And it's your turn. I'm just gonna put a giant spoonful in here. Oh, you got ice cream, didn't you?
I got ice cream.
God damn it, that means I have teriyaki sauce. Just for that, I'm adding double the vanilla yogurt.
Should I just put this whole thing in?
I don't know. I realized that you don't have a lot of liquid in yours. Yours is just gonna be kind of, do you wanna add some milk just so it'll blend easier?
I'm just gonna, yeah, just so that it'll blend.
So we're just gonna, she's just gonna add a little milk just so it'll blend a little easier because hers is kind of solid. All right, I got teriyaki. I like this on chicken. I don't think I'm gonna like it in a smoothie. It smells like the same as the soy sauce. That's to get it all over the counter. All right, so we're gonna go blend these.
And we'll be right back.
Yep. All right, so we're back. We've blended it. This is what mine looks like.
And this is what mine looks like. There is an entire ice cream cone in this.
So I ended up having teriyaki sauce, French onion dip, vanilla yogurt, soy sauce, and milk in mine.
There's milk in mine only because we didn't want to ruin her blender with all the solids. But I got peanut butter, hot buttered rum mix, ice cream, garlic, and Caesar dressing.
So I will tell you right now, mine smells primarily of soy sauce and Caesar.
I can smell the Caesar.
When I say soy sauce, I meant to say French onion dip.
I can smell the Caesar in mine. I'm hoping there's enough ice cream to drown out the Caesar, but I don't think so.
I don't think anything.
I don't think that's the case.
All right, let's try it. I'm gonna plug my nose.
Are we trying it at the same time?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Mine isn't terrible.
Mine isn't terrible, but I wouldn't drink it on a daily basis. You wanna try mine?
I'm gonna die if I drink yours, but I'm gonna try it anyways, to be fair. Oh. It tastes like French onion dip.
Yeah.
Let me take mine back.
Mine doesn't taste too bad, but it tastes
good. It tastes mostly the good stuff.
Yeah, yours tastes like peanut butter and hot butter rum mix. Mine tastes like French onion soured milk. Best way to describe it.
Oh,
it's not the worst thing I've ever tasted, but it's not the.
This combination is probably gonna make me sick later, but I kind of just gonna drink it.
So that was the smoothie challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow my links below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Stay beautiful.